test. What's up, everyone? What's up, everyone? And right now I am back with an emergency stream here because shit is going down here. It is absolutely crazy what's currently happening here at Terra Luna. It jumped over 60,000% towards the upside. And many people are already asking me, is this the time to jump on board of Terra Luna or not? And I will be right away. Probably people are going to be not liking this because I'm going to say this. This is not the time to jump on Terra Luna. This is not the time. Because many people don't know what is actually about to happen. People think Terra Luna is going to get back towards 1 billion supply. That's true. But you have to know how they are going to do it. You have to know. So, I will be right away jump in towards it. I will first of all talk a little bit about the price action. But more importantly, guys, don't get fooled. Don't be chasing the pumps. That's the last thing you should be doing. If you're going to be buying right now, it doesn't mean that Terra Luna is going to jump back towards $1, because what is going to be happening, guys, this is already old news, we already know it, what is going to be happening. They're going to go back towards 1 billion supply, 1 total billion supply of Terra Luna tokens, and what will be happening afterwards, they will be redistribute those tokens across the Terra Luna holders, they will be redistributing them across the UZ Terra holders, and of course, also the people that bought after, the people that are buying right now, only 10%. So if you're buying right now, you're essentially getting screwed. So let me explain this a little bit more in depth. And let me talk about this thing here. I've been saying it. I don't like it. I shouldn't buy it right here. I've been saying it several times before. But look at this. We came from the low to high. And Dusty, welcome back. Turn off your... What are you doing? I don't know. Test. Do you hear me? Yeah, it's a little dusty. What are you saying? I mean, I had some preparations. I was eating a little bit here, actually. So Terra Luna jumped over 640,000%, right? Absolutely crazy. Sorry, 64,000% here. Absolutely crazy. Absolutely mind blowing. That's a 640x. If you invested $1,000 US, you would have made 640k here. Crazy good. Congratulations if you did so. But I mean, it's already exploding, guys, towards the downside. I mean, I'm trying to make my point here that you shouldn't invest in Terra Luna right now here because it's too risky, but it's already showing why it's too risky here. But it will probably come down even harder, guys. Please, I'm not going to be a hater over here or something. I'm just going to share you the market facts, but this thing is going to crash like crazy. Don't buy Terra Luna. Please don't. Please don't. And let me go further in my explanation. I'm just trying to get the point out there. So Terra Luna moved up 640x, right? People that bought, first of all, the lows over here are making a bunch of money. And there's a little bit of a misconception. People say, oh, I should buy Terra Luna right now because the supply is going to go back towards 1 billion. Indeed, the supply is going to go back towards 1 billion. But what we do know, what we can see, Terra Luna is definitely not a decentralized organization because they're just going to roll back the blockchain. They're going to take all the money out. They're going to be setting a supply of 1 billion. And they're going to redistribute it. And you're going to get screwed over. I don't know exactly how they're going to do it, but you're going to get screwed over. So please be extremely cautious. Terra Luna just jumped back in towards the top 25 of all cryptocurrencies. Doesn't make any sense? No. The system failed. They due to Terra Luna, Bitcoin crashed like crazy towards the downside. Due to Terra Luna, billions of US dollars got lost on people. People lost their life savings in crypto. And you think it's going to come back up again? Do you think still that the trust is there? I don't think so. And look at the US Terra pair. Look at they're trying to recover it. They're trying to revive it for this, for their stablecoin. And is it working? No, it is not working at all, first of all. But it's an extremely big mistake if you're going to be buying it right now, because what will be happening, you're buying it at this price. It doesn't matter what the price is actually right now, but you're buying it at a high market capitalization. That's what I want to be pointing out here, because if I'm going to go to Luna, let me see, Luna is jumping up like crazy, right? It's currently got a 3.3 billion market cap once again here. Oh, is it updating? Yeah, 3.3 billion market cap. So it's pretty high. Still got a 6.5 trillion circulating supply here, and they're going to come down towards 1 billion. And yeah, for everyone who just jumped in towards the stream, what will be basically happen is that they're going to redistribute. It's like something stupid. You're going to buy something stupid if you're going to be buying right now. You're basically going to only attempt, like you're investing your money in it. Let's see it like this. Let me get some drawing tools. So let me draw. What's a good site where I can draw, actually? I don't know. Drawing boards. So let me use this site here to draw a little bit. I don't know what this is. Yeah, this is I think it's good. So, what is happening right here? Can I get a background here? Can I get something like this? Sorry guys, I'm trying to figure this out. I don't like this site. I go to a different site. So I'm trying to be making a point. Word sites. I'm trying to be making a point here. Is it out to draw this? Yeah, this is a good site. Oh, I used this one before. I like drawings. Okay, so currently we have got. Let me clean this up, all guys. Let me quickly clean this up. We've got Luna. And let's call it, for instance, I will be calling it 1.0 and 2.0 for a second, right? So we've got Luna and we've got Luna. And let's call the new version 2.0, what's basically going to be coming here, right? We've got Luna and we've got Luna. And basically, what they're doing right now, currently Luna got an approximately, let me say this correctly, Luna is currently have a 6.5 trillion supply. It currently has 6.5 trillion supply, guys. And they want to go back towards 1 billion. How they're going to do it is because it's, first of all, it's not fully decentralized, because they're going to roll back the blockchain. They're going to take all the money out. So there's currently a market capitalization of an approximately, we can say it correctly, 4.1 billion US dollars. So this is what will be happening. There's 4.1 billion US dollars currently in the market. And let me also draw this here. 4.1 billion US dollars in the system. What will be happening? We will be see a redistribution. So everyone who's currently invested in Luna right now, sorry, let me say it correctly. So what will be right now essentially happen is that the money from Luna 1.0 in this case is going to move to Luna 2.0. And that 4.1 billion is going to go in here, and the 4.1 billion is going to disappear. So all this supply on the left side, what you see is it's going to disappear. And it's an imaginary thing, right? What I'm trying to explain. And what will be happening essentially is that 40% of this 4.1 billion currently is in the system is going to go to Luna 2.0. Luna 2.0. The other 40% is going to go to US Terra. Other 10% is going to go to the after peg buyers. Deep peg buyers. And the other 10% is going to go to development. So this 4.1 billion is going to get split up in 4 different things. It's going to get split up here in 40% is going to go to Luna 2.0. So of 4.1 billion, 40% of it is in this case, let me say it correctly. Sorry. I got a message. So 1.6 billion is going to go in towards a Luna 2.0 price. So the price of that new token that's going, no, it's not new token, it's the same token, but the redistribution is going to be $1.6 a token. And the people that will be having this token, what you can see over here, will be these people. So everyone who will hold it, let me know in the chat if you're holding Luna before. You're doing amazing. But I mean, mainly all these people lost still their money. So what will happen is that people that bought Luna above $100 US, my headphone, it's crazy loud. Thank you for the donation. Rover teacher incoming. Yeah, maybe I should supposed to become a teacher. But like 40% of that money is going to go towards all the holders because they have all the addresses, of course, who was holding Luna before. And actually, I don't know how they're exactly going to do it because there are also a lot of hot wallets of Luna. But those will be getting redistributed to all the people who bought Luna on this top over here. So everyone who bought Luna before here and was still holding it in the wallet will get 40% of this, what we do see right now here, of our drawing, that 1.6 billion in those tokens. So first of all, the value they initially invested is already minus maybe 2 or 3, maybe 80 or 85 or maybe 90%, right? So the initial Luna investors still lose their money, but they're doing it to revive the stablecoin because it's all about the stablecoin. Because with the stablecoin, they can solve everything. They can buy Bitcoin again. They can buy crazy stuff here, what will be making the market even more screwed up, right? So that other 40%, so that other 1.6 billion US dollars is going to go in towards the stablecoin. So that other 1.6 billion US dollars is going to go in towards the stablecoin, and the other will be getting redistributed. But everyone, that is why here I'm coming towards my point right now. Everyone who's buying Luna right now in this point over here, everyone who's buying Luna right here, in terms of market capitalization, I'm not talking about price. All the money that you're currently putting in Luna right here will only see 10% back. You will only see 10% of your money you invested back, but at a higher price. So indeed, if there's more money circulate, if you let's say you bought the lows here. Let's say you bought the lows, right? There was only an approximately 50 million market cap. That was very good because there was a lot of new liquidity, a lot of new money entering the market right now. And if they are going to do the reset right here, you will be making a ton of money. That's true. But since, and here's my point, since there is right now an approximately market cap of 4.5 billion US dollars, you will be, and if you invest right now, you will only see 1/10 of that money back. So unless Luna is only a good investment in one scenario, there's one scenario that if you're going to be buying Luna right now and actually make profits, if Luna either does a 10x from now on, so let's say Luna has to be trading 10x as high as it currently is here, and of course if we're going to look at a 10x from here on, because only 10% is going to go towards the holders that are buying right now, right? So if you're buying Luna right now, you will only get a 10% of that value redistributed after the revival of the plan. I mean, I'm staying away. It has to do with 10x at least. At the same time, you could also make money. That's true. I totally agree. You can also make money if potentially you buy Luna right here and you sell it on the top. So what will be happening, because all these people that bought the lower sides over here, the people that bought the dip over here for Terra Luna, are going to sell right here. They're going to sell the rally. Why? Is because if they're not going to sell the rally, they will be making a ton less money. And it doesn't make sense to stick to your bag and make 10 times as less money, right? That just doesn't make any sense. So, guys, I just want to be pointing out here, be extremely careful, because they're trying to revive their stablecoin that is already collapsing massively. And some people are maybe buying their stablecoin right now here. And actually, what I think is just so frustrating right now in the system is that we have seen clearly that in the past in the cryptocurrency industry, many algorithmic stablecoins have been failing, and this is just another one. And I just don't get it how Terra Luna can figure out to make $4.5 billion of investments back into the project to potentially recover it and revive it, because people actually have still faith in Terra Luna. And I can guarantee you one thing: if the revival happens, the price of Terra Luna is absolutely going to fall like crazy. Why? It's because those investors that bought Terra Luna at $120, they want their money back. They want their they want to have 1% of their money back, because that's actually the only thing that they can get, because from that $1 mark, it will probably not rise a lot. It will be probably decreased, because large whales, institutions, they want to get their money out of it. And it's actually pretty weird, because if they did got their money out after the DPEG, because what you can see over here, they will be redistribute 40%, so 400 million of the supply towards Luna holders that were holding Luna before the DPEG. So let's say you were holding Luna and you sold it on the 10th of May. And of course, what we do know, if we're going to look back here, on the 10th of May, you were holding Luna, and let me set it to auto, basically the 10th of May, you were holding Luna, and it was already down here at approximately $35. Okay, there was a little bit of value over. You sold your Luna over there for $35 because you thought, shit, I made a loss, I'm going to take my loss, right? So let's say you invested $1 million and you lost an approximately 70%, and you will get back $300,000. But what is very weird, because you got your money out of it after the DPEG, so after US Terra, the stablecoin, came away from its peg price, you're still going to get a portion of that supply. So you're going to basically get free money. They're giving free money back. And of course, to some people, it's not free money, because some people lost even more of their value. And probably those people that were at the top and that actually, of course, lost their money over there, they're still losing more money right now. But it's just not a thing I like. I just don't like it. And I want to be pointing out that it is just a warning. I mean, I know you guys, everyone out there in the cryptocurrency industry, you love to make money. I love to make money as well. If you did bought these lower ranges, I absolutely say congratulations. You did an amazing job here. But please, everyone who's buying here at the top, if you bought this top, you would have already lost 50% once again here. That's my whole point, guys. It can literally fall very hard once again. It is a volatile asset right now, and I should definitely not recommend, especially if you're a beginner, to look at Terra Luna. And of course, guys, if you are interested in buying Terra Luna, I would definitely suggest, okay, check out, of course, Bybit in the link description, because on Bybit, you can accumulate altcoins with a $4,050 deposit bonus. So that is definitely a thing that I will be saying to you guys out there. But personally, I will be accumulate Luna. Wait, I will say wouldn't do it myself. I wouldn't definitely do it myself. I would definitely not do it myself. But there are people apparently out there that actually want to be buying Luna. I'm not a huge fan of buying Luna right now here. I think it's terrible. But yeah, for people that are interested, if you're going to be buying it, anyways, do it with the deposit bonus, because it's a win-win. You will be getting a deposit bonus to there. But guys, let me know. Do you have any questions? Luna's dead. I mean, I totally agree. Report this guy. Don't waste any time watching this video. Buy Luna as soon as possible. I mean, you know what's funny? You know what's very funny? Let's go to my Twitter. And let's talk about Luna. I've been talking... Sorry for me eating while streaming, guys. Excuse me. But I was talking about Luna, that you shouldn't buy it. I said several times before, I shouldn't buy Luna. First of all, I said here on the 12th of May, if you think USD Tether will survive, US Terra will survive, start doing some research. That's the first thing I want to be saying to everyone out there. if you don't know how crypto works here, it will be probably not survive, right? Don't buy Luna, it won't survive on the 11th of May. Look at how much hate I got over here. It's crazy. Everyone was hating on me. Everyone said, oh, you have a shit opinion, blah, blah, blah. I'm still going to buy it. Oh, me. Everyone who bought Luna on the 11th of May, let me see how much they lost, actually. Let me see. The 11th of May, we were trading here. We were trading already pretty low, right? 11th of May over here, you would have lost minus 100%. And it will be probably once again happen. Because this is no joke. I mean, you probably think, no, it can't do a minus 100% again here, or minus 99% once again, but it can. And you should definitely go a little bit back in towards the stream, where I did explain about how big of a flop it will become here if it does revive the ecosystem. You eat a burger. No. I'm eating bread with chicken fillet, if I say it correctly. Yeah, chicken fillet, because that's good for the muscle. If Luna crashes, a huge chunk of crypto financing in China, in Asia will crash. Not happening. But it already crashed. It already crashed. That's the whole point. Luna already crashed. And look at how hard. I actually don't get why so many people are supporting Luna right now. Well, I will show you one thing. I mean, everyone, let me know who's supporting Luna. I will be creating a poll. Do you still support Luna? Make sure to vote in the poll, guys, because I'm very curious how many people are actually still supporting Luna. But let me talk about this. I think I had the tweet over here because Glassnode removed them. Fortunately, they did remove them. So, what did Luna do? Luna crashed the whole market. Luna crashed Bitcoin literally towards these lower regions. And Bitcoin is coming down right now as well, guys. I'm definitely looking for this region for potential inverse and shoulders, by the way. But Luna crashed the Bitcoin market. And many people, do you still support Luna? 54% yes. So, apparently 54% of the voters currently hate Bitcoin and hate Bitcoin succeeding, because Bitcoin is not succeeding right now, and the whole cryptocurrency industry market is not succeeding due to Luna. Because what did Luna? Luna basically they literally made their own grave. Because what did they do? They bought Bitcoin as a backing of their stablecoin, US Terra. They were holding an approximately 80,000 Bitcoins. And as of course, the 10th of May, they're holding 0 Terra Luna. But it's pretty funny to think that Luna buys Bitcoin to hold up its peg price for the US Terra, But actually, if Luna drops, it has to be, it is highly correlated between, it has a high correlation between Bitcoin. So what does it mean? They're going to sell off Bitcoin to be backing their stablecoin, but if they're selling off Bitcoin, Luna will take a bigger hit, because Luna and Bitcoin they're moving together, right? And only if Bitcoin falls, Luna falls two times as hard, because that's how it works in a stablecoin, in this market, in this altcoin market. So if they want to be using Bitcoin as a protect for that peg, so if they want to use Bitcoin as a protect for the peg, that doesn't work here. You sell Bitcoin to protect the peg, which brings down Bitcoin its price, and the Luna price, of course. And since Luna is the backing behind the stablecoin, it doesn't work. So, what do we know? The algorithmic stablecoin has already proven not working, because you can't back a stablecoin by a high volatile crypto. And guys, I just don't get why still many people are not seeing this, why still many people are not waking up, and especially, they dropped the whole market. Due to Terra Luna, Bitcoin dropped off massively. Just massively. And people are supporting it. I just don't get it. I think it has to be getting... I mean, many people lost their money. I think that's absolutely terrible. Many people lost their money. I think it's absolutely terrible. I would love to see this getting reversed, but it just can't. It just can't in the cryptocurrency industry. That's not how it works. So, yeah, for anyone out there, if you do know it better, make sure to be buying it if you would love to. But for me, it's just... yeah, not another way to do so right here, right? So, yeah, if you are interested in buying, you can buy it on Bybit if you want to, with a $4,000 deposit bonus, but I should definitely not recommend doing that. That's the latest thing I will be doing, buying Luna right now here, because buying Luna right here is just too big of a... It's literally gamble. Like, you can better go to the casino right now than going to be buying Luna. I should stay away from it. Stay away from it. And probably people are hating on me right now, but I don't care. Sponsored by Gymshark. Yeah, bro. No, just kidding. Luna wrecked us all, and that's true. I lost money. There's no hope. They're getting there. I mean, that's true. Anything can happen in crypto. Just like it went to zero. That's true. Anything can happen. But if you do the math, first of all, if you do the math, if you're doing your research, you know that Terra Luna is not going to survive. You know it's not going to survive. And this is like, we can call this a relief rally. And I just think it's funny that people are excited about Terra Luna. But look at this. Oh, Terra Luna is going to the moon. It's going to the moon. Wait. It's still down 100%. And why? Is because they, of course, shoot up towards 6.5 trillion supply here. And people are getting excited. And I mean, the people that are actually buying Terra Luna right now are probably the old holders, right? Because they want to be pumping up their own bags. They want the money back. But they all know they're not going to make a lot of money back. Because if it goes back towards that previous, if it goes back towards that 1 billion supply, you know, I can guarantee you what is going to be happening. If Terra Luna goes back towards 1 billion supply with the current market cap it has, it will be trading around and approximately $1. And what will be happening if it goes back here? The network gets frozen, first of all. They're trying to be decentralized with their algorithmic stablecoin, but they're going to be do something on the network, but it's totally not decentralized. So this is the last decentralized token I will ever call. But they're going to reinstate 1 billion total supply. And what will be essentially happen after that is that people that hold the Luna on $120, the first thing they are going to do is sell off their Luna. The institutions, the first thing, as soon as it's revived, they're going to sell off their Luna. And what is going to happen with the stablecoin? What is everything but stable? Become less stable than that. It's even going to become less stable because there is no way to revive this. There is no trust. If there is no trust, it can't get revived. And apparently there are still some people trusting Luna. But I mean, guys, let me know. Would you hold your money still and use Terra? Would you still hold it? I mean, look at this. It's dropping again. It had just a minor rally. People got excited. And it is dropping again. I mean, this is not the time to get excited. Of course, many people made a bunch of money. I totally agree it. Yeah, probably. Can it go to 10 cents? Probably not. Of course, it will go back towards $1. It will probably go back towards around $1 because what they will be doing for everyone who just joined the stream here, tomorrow. When will they exactly do it? By the way, they haven't basically got a revival plan. 19 hours ago, they announced this, and that's why we're currently seeing that hype run up. That's all the reason why we're basically moving up here, and they're going to basically reinstate the network towards 1 billion tokens. But if you're holding, let's say, if you're holding 1 billion tokens right now, you will be not the one that holds 1 billion tokens because it's going to be divided by everyone. And if you're buying right now, you're only getting back 10%. Guys, 10% of the total market cap is going to go back to the people that are actually buying right now. And probably there are more people buying right now, what will be meaning that everyone who is actually buying right now is going to lose a lot of money. Unless, guys, like I told you, if you buy Luna right now and the price does a 10x from here on, you're going to make profit. And guys, I am all about making profit in this market. I don't care. Some projects are shit, right? But I also made money with Dogecoin. I also make money with Dogecoin, even though the project is shit, but I made money with it, right? And I'm here also. If Luna was a good opportunity for me to make money, I would have bought it right now, but that's just not the case. Use Terra is climbing. It's not climbing. It's, I mean, maybe in the inverted chart it's climbing, but that's true. Luna eclipse. So guys, yeah, let me know what you think about it. By the way, guys, will be very cool if we can slap up the like button. We're watching with 1,000 of you guys out there in the stream right now. So if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, make sure to do so. Will be highly appreciated. Let's look a little bit on Twitter, right? What people are saying about Luna. Do you believe in Luna? No. It's absolutely shit. Yeah, crazy pump, of course, what we're currently seeing. Many people are talking about Luna like crazy. That is crazy. Okay. Indeed, Aimer, smash up the like button. Can we short this, guys? I was already planning to short this, so I was planning to short it, but apparently no exchange is really providing shorting opportunities right now for Terra Luna. Like you can see, we can't short it. No, we can't short it. So that's pretty unfortunate. We can't do so. But yeah, that's just the case right now. But yeah, of course, what we can do is like spot buy, but it's the only thing, right? We can spot buy and sell it here on Bybit, but just for me, I'm not into buying Luna right now, so that's why I'm not doing so. But yeah, here on Bybit, it even went higher than the price, of course. That's absolutely crazy. It's mind-blowing. So, yeah, I mean, we can't unfortunately short it. Otherwise, I would have opened one of the most craziest shorts. Because look at this. We're already falling down. And you also know, guys, if you are here to make money... Oh, my camera is doing very bad. Yes, let me reinstate my camera. I don't know what my camera is doing. Give me a second. But guys, if you're here to make money, I'm just wondering, are you here to pump up someone else's bag here? Because people that actually bought the lows are literally benefiting from you. Those people that bought here on the lows, and you can see there was a high amount of volume, around the 1.5 trillion in volume, in terms of tokens then in this case. You are literally pumping up their bag. They made 770x. They made 770x on their bags. And you're buying it right now. 1 day and 8 hours later. I mean, if you have learned anything from risk to reward, this is the extreme high risk for extreme low reward. Because guys, you are not going to get a 100x from here on. People think that I just can't get that out of my head here, because Luna is right now just trading on 4.6 billion in terms of its market capitalization. So what won't happen? It won't do another 10x from here on. It won't do another 5x from here on. It is just not going to be doing such big of an increasements anymore. That is just market facts. It just already topped out here. It had too high of a market cap, and probably it's going to be falling very hard because people are losing their money once again. These people that actually bought the top, they are getting screwed over like crazy right now. I've already doubled my money. I mean, for everyone who's making money right now, you're doing an amazing job, but make sure that you're only making a profit if you actually sell, right? You're only making a loss if you actually sell, but also with your profit. So that's important. Like, you're pumping up someone else's bag if you're buying right here. And I know friends, guys. I'm in a crypto group here. My friends were texting me, "Oh man, I made literally a 150x in a few hours from yesterday night to now." And once I'm seeing so many people making such big money, I just know what's going on. The cap will be 15 soon, mate. Okay, I don't see why, because the system's already broken. Their stablecoin is trading on 15 cents here, everything but stable, and they're trying to revive it by literally screwing everyone over who's buying their Terra tokens right now here. Guys, I'm currently also investigating something very interesting. And guys, this is the reason why you should definitely subscribe to the channel. I'm currently doing an investigation with my team on the potential next coin that can go minus 99%. And of course, I'm talking here like I like it. I actually don't like it, but I'm seeing somewhat of a Ponzi in the coin. And it's a coin within the top 25. So guys, make sure to subscribe to the channel, because there will be coming a video probably within 7 days from now on, where I will be revealing this coin, that I do think it's a Ponzi, and that it can fail in the coming weeks here, and that it can absolutely go to zero, and that it will be maybe potentially open one of the most craziest shorting positions on it. So definitely make sure to subscribe to the channel right now for that. But more importantly, I mean, I don't like to see projects, of course, fall down crazy. But more what I like, I'm here to secure the cryptocurrency industry. I want to don't have these shitty projects around here like Luna, because Luna is already a failed project. It is shit right now. It is just a fact. It's not working. It's shit. We have to get rid of it, because it's going to only screw us more over, because maybe Terra Luna recovers. Guys, let's say this. Terra Luna recovers. It comes back up here. The Luna Guard Foundation, the Luna Foundation Guard gets a lot of new money, new capital in. And what will be happening from that point? They will be potentially buy Bitcoin again. And they will be literally screw us over once again here. So let me go back towards this graph, because it's currently off this over here. It's gone, the chart. So let me go back towards this here, where I tweeted about it. So let's say Luna recovers. Let's say that for once. Luna recovers and it comes back up all the way. It recovers. It just recovers, right? They're going to start buying Bitcoin again as reserve currency. So Bitcoin is going to be getting pumped up here. Pretty nice. Pretty cool. Very convenient. Bitcoin goes up. Everything is lovely. Then Bitcoin, out of nowhere, let's say the Federal Reserve is hiking interest rates like never seen before. Bitcoin drops off massively. What is the Luna Foundation Guard going to be? They're going to sell their Bitcoin again. What are they going to do? They're going to cause a massive market crash once again, like they did right now. So I just don't get it how people can still support Luna while they are absolutely crashing and screwing over these markets. And I will retweet this super quickly because people are apparently not seeing this. So there's still a majority of the people that are actually supporting Terra Luna. So yeah, if you're still supporting Terra Luna, you can buy it here at Bybit here in the link in the description. But for me, I'm definitely not buying it. I'm staying away from it. Recovers to what price? I mean, right now, it will probably go back towards $1. But let me explain this. It's going back towards $1, but not from off this price here, because they're going to reinstate the network. They're going to pause it, and they're going to remove a lot of coins, and they're going to be setting a 1 billion token overall. 1 billion tokens currently having 6.5 trillion. Excuse me. They're going to be reinstating it towards 1 billion. Currently we're having 6.5 trillion. And it will be getting redistributed between 40% towards the Luna holders. Holders from before the peg. So let's say Luna 2.0. 4% is going to go back towards the people that were actually holding Luna before the crash happened. Other 40% is purely going to go towards USD Terra. 10% is going to go to the people that are buying Luna right now after the peg got decoupled, after the DPEG happened. So if you're going to be buying Luna right now, you're only going to get 10% of the market capitalization share. It just doesn't make any sense, right? It just doesn't make any sense, but apparently it does for some people. At the same time, we can see 10% of the other 10% will go to future development for Luna. So yeah, pretty interesting. It will reach $1, but not from here on, guys. It is not going to do an 100,000x from here on. I can't buy Luna in USA. That's pretty nice, bro. You're lucky. The plan is not approved, but it probably will get approved here, and that is why we're currently also having the rally. I bought €5. That's pretty cool. I mean, you can of course buy a little bit of Luna. I'm not saying you can't do it. I'm just only saying that the risk is very high, because Luna is currently a very big market capitalization coin again here, because they like people do the math. If a coin has a 5 billion market cap, okay, so $5 billion market cap. There's currently $5 billion in circulation, and the price is 0.0003. If it is willing to do another 5x from here on, it needs another initial 20 billion market cap. 20 billion. Let's see how big other cryptocurrencies are. $20 billion is as big as the XRP market cap. So you think that the whole market cap of XRP is going to also flow in again to Terra Luna? Well, big institutions are not willing to invest here in Terra Luna. It's definitely a retail hype we're currently seeing, guys. We're seeing many retailers getting hyped up about Terra Luna, and that's also why we're getting more views. I see like 1100 views. I just see there's a lot of retail hype here. People like it. People enjoy the pump. People want to be benefiting from it because they see, oh, big money is being made over here. We can literally make a 770x. But guys, after the 770x happened, you're not going to make it again. That is just usually how it works. You can only make it once and not twice. And that's why it's probably not going to happen, guys. So, yeah. So, if you bought the lows, good job. Is it worth the risk to buy some Luna? Please go a little back in towards the stream here. I'm not big fan of it. I mean, I can show you. Is it worth the risk to be buying Luna? Have I got an answer to this? Yes, I do. No, it's not worth the risk. It's not worth the risk here, guys. The risk to reward is way too inappropriate, and I know I get a lot of hate for it. Guys, subscribe to the channel for my new exposure that's going to come anytime soon here, because I will be trying to expose also another cryptocurrency in the future that is also potentially got a Ponzi behind it, and that's probably not working that well here. So make sure to subscribe to the channel for that here. I will be exposing it anytime soon here. I'm currently working on it with my team, with my research team, because yeah, there is a lot of stuff currently going down here in this market, and many altcoins are basically falling over, and just like Luna fell over, there are definitely some potential other altcoins that can absolutely fall like crazy. So take this in consideration. Definitely very important. We need retailers to come back in towards the market. Yeah, so far we have not that many retailers in the market. That's true here. That we can clearly see that in cryptocurrency. But I think it's good that retailers are stepping out of this market, right? Because that basically gives us the opportunity for accumulation. Also take into consideration, guys, I'm not going to talk that much about Bitcoin because this video is purely about Luna. Look at this. I personally think, yeah, we are of course in bearish markets right now here, but to be clear, it could be maybe take a couple weeks here before we're going to potentially come up again for Bitcoin, to give you guys a brief update here. And the reason why I think it can be taking a little bit longer, because these altcoins are recovering so strong, and as long as altcoins are recovering so strong, I don't think Bitcoin will recover pretty form its bottom, right? I first want to see altcoins bleed before Bitcoin really can move up again here. So I'm personally looking at the same structure as the S&P 500 back in the 2001-2009 market as Bitcoin right now. Look at this. This is pretty interesting, right? Pretty similar patterns. I'm currently just casually waiting, and my strategy right now is just to buy as much Bitcoin as I possibly can. I'm not buying as much Luna as I possibly can here, because I personally want to have a little bit of a less risk strategy right now here, because in these markets, because we are clearly in bear markets, of course, we want to be accumulating mainly Bitcoin and Ethereum, and of course cryptocurrencies that have been getting proven strategies to create money flow, like Binance, like Celsius, like FTX here. So please do make sure to do wise investments in these periods where it is a little bit harder to make money, and in these periods where it's a little bit harder to make wise investments right here. Yes, we are in pain, and once we are in pain, we should be benefiting from it, because that's basically suggesting a huge opportunity. So yeah, please do know that it's very important to take advantage of this opportunity we currently have in the market. And I'm not talking about altcoins. I'm mainly talking about Bitcoin and Ethereum, because altcoins can still bleed another minus 90% here, while Bitcoin and Ethereum can only potentially bleed another 20%. So it's just a risk to reward. Are you willing to take the risk on these altcoins? Show the Luna chart. Yes, guys, this is the Luna chart right now in front of you. Oh, someone spoke. No way. I don't see any value in fractals. I actually do see value in fractals, because it basically can show us, like, history doesn't repeat itself, but it does rhyme very often, right? So I do see a lot of value in fractals, especially recently. So I mean, I'm not saying the bottom is in for Bitcoin. I think the bottom is very close for Bitcoin. That's definitely true. Calling a bottom is also very hard, but calling an approximately bottom is not that hard, right? So I think we're close to a bottom, but we might not be there yet. I mean, maybe already have formed it. That's also true. We maybe already have formed the bottom. There are just several opportunities right now how this market is going to be playing out right here. So guys, where's Crypto Future? Crypto Future is in French, I think, and I'm back here in the Netherlands. 5 billion market cap. Yeah, guys, it's absolutely crazy, Def. I see it myself as well. 5 billion market cap is ridiculous for such a cryptocurrency that basically crushed the whole market, and people apparently still have faith in it. And for me, seeing that 64% is still supporting Luna is a little bit shocking. I think it's a little bit shocking. I already booked my worldwide trip because of the faith in Luna. Okay. That is absolutely crazy. Bitcoin... Is AVEX a good hold? I'm saying I'm not really buying AVEX right here, actually. 33k profit, and guys, you don't make profit if you don't take profit, right? So take that into consideration. I think if we're looking at this market, you can clearly see there is an approximately market cap is pretty high. Guys, should I do some fun buying for Luna? And see, wait, I will show you how I can lose a ton of money in a very short period of time, guys. I will show you guys. I will show you. Maybe I will be making some profits. I'm just going to do this for fun purposes, right? So let me set up some money. With how much money should I buy Luna right now? I'm not liking it, but I'm just going to do it to show you guys how. Oh wait, I got still some limit orders over here. Look at this. I will quickly show you how you can make and lose money very quickly, but I personally think it's going to come down here. But for you guys, because you guys... Wait, I should do it differently. Should I buy Luna right now? Yes or no? On the chat. Let me ask it to you guys. Should I buy it? Yes or no right now? I will be putting up a poll. So guys, say yes in the chat if I should buy Luna right now. Say no in the chat if I shouldn't do it. I currently got $4,000 on this account in USD Tether right here, and I'm going to be buying a market buy, guys. So let me know. Let me know. Some people are saying 10k, $50 10k. So say yes or no. Should I buy Luna right now? Yes or no? I'm going to do it for fun purposes, even though I don't like it. I just explained why I think it's terrible. I explained to you guys why I think it's terrible. It's a terrible decision to be buying it right now, but just for fun purposes, for actually fun purposes, because I don't care if I'm going to lose this money, and that's what I'm trying to be pointing out to you guys. Everyone is saying yes. Okay, you guys won't really see me lose money. Okay, watch me lose $4,000 in just a matter of a few minutes. So okay, I bought 4,000. I currently have. Let me see how much Luna. Look at this. I already lost a bunch of money. So I currently am. Let me see. I'm currently already $800 in the loss. I'm personally. I bought Luna. I bought for $4,000 Luna, and I currently hold 3,200. So that's how quick it goes. So don't buy Luna. Don't buy Luna, guys. Don't do it. I just did it for fun. I told you already why this shit. But I can't say that word. But I just put 4,000 on it for fun. It's not going to survive. It's not going to survive. It's going to probably come down massively. But if I'm in profit for 1 second, I'm right away going to sell. Let me set up a limit order, guys, for fun. 4-5, sell everything. Yes. So limits. Wait, on this limit sell, I'm still making a loss, guys. Whoa, that's crazy. I'm guaranteed to make a loss right now. That is stupid. That is stupid. So I placed up an order. If it's going back towards that 5 target, so here, I'm going to be making a break even. So don't buy Luna. It's absolutely terrible. It's definitely the last thing I'm should be doing here. No, don't do it. Guys, I know it. I shouldn't have done it to be making a point here. I know Luna is a bad investment. I know Luna will be losing all our money. So please. Just keep that in mind here. So it's pretty funny to see. Like I'm here to lose money for you guys, right? I'm here to show you how I lose my money. And if it comes back up here, another approximately 0.00009, I will be making a break even. That's cool. That's cool. So we'll just keep monitoring this for a moment right now. Don't sell. For a live order. I mean, I put up a limit order. I hope I can get out of it. Actually, oh guys, look at this. It's moving up again. And of course, I should definitely for fun. I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm going to give you some advice, I guess. But I should not buy Luna. Don't buy it. Don't buy it. Why don't you short it, Rover? Because I can't. Guys, if I could have shorted Luna, I would have already done so. So please do take that into consideration. I'm just doing a pseudocide. That's what I call this, a pseudocide bet. So I basically already lost all my money here. That's pretty important to know here. Guys, give me a second here. Let's watch this chart for a moment. Give me 1 moment. I see so much hate. It's so funny. It's so funny that people are hating for me explaining that it's not smart to be buying it. The cryptocurrency community just is so toxic. I just don't get it. And just like Andres is saying, tomorrow everyone will be crying again. And I hate to bring it. I actually hate to bring it. But that's probably true. That is just probably true, guys. Probably tomorrow you will be crying again because it lost it all. So, yeah. It is just too toxic. I'm just explaining literally about how your investment could go to zero again. And rather than people saying, oh, thank you for your advice, but I'm not going to do anything with it, they're saying, shut the fuck up. It's crazy. I think it's funny. You can just do arbitrage from KuCoin and bitfinex easy gains. Yeah, that's definitely a good thing to do so, man. I definitely agree. 4K could have actually helped your community, but what you did is, I mean, God, man, I'm giving away more than, in the last 3 months, I've literally gave away more than $20,000 towards my community. And you're saying I'm not giving anything, man. Come on. That's absolutely so not true. And of course, you can see it all back to all the people that won. I tagged them, I showed them in the video, and you can clearly see, you can also all those people, and I can go through my messages that they are all have won. Let me see. Should I pick one real quickly? Let me see if I can find one. I think maybe this is potentially one. Yeah, here. Thank you so much. Look at this guy. Thank you so. I received it. Thank you so much. I literally sent them. Oh, this was the $500 giveaway. Man, I'm giving away so much money. And currently, I am doing indeed a little bit of less giveaways. You know why? It's because indeed these times are a little bit harder, and I would love to accumulate the debt a little bit harder than that. So please don't say I'm not giving anything back towards my community. I give a ton back towards my community, but I'm not going to go in towards this this stuff. We could have also bought 0.14 Bitcoin with it. That's true. I mean, I will be definitely do so if I ever get out of this trade here. So. If it hits, let me put up a line here, guys. I will show you. I go out of this trade like very quickly. I hope I can make some money from it. And of course, guys, if anyone is interested in this, check out Bybit here in the link description. You can buy Luna. You can buy all of other cool cryptocurrencies over there as well. And of course, you will be able to trade on this platform. Of course, only for experienced people. But let me see. Where can I enable this? Oh. So if Luna comes up here towards this line. And I can't seem to draw lines, apparently. I can't seem to draw lines. That's pretty weird in this chart. That's pretty weird. Here. Here it is. So, guys, if it comes back up towards this level over here, I will be walk away with a profit. I will walk away with a profit if it comes up towards this level. The only very bad thing here is that I actually have to leave in 10 minutes or something. So... that's terrible. Ignore the trolls, I know. Yeah, I find it out. Trading view. So that's pretty cool. Pretty cool to see. So let's see how far it will fall here. Let me see, are people actually buying it? It's so interesting to see, actually. I mean, I'm not going to talk about the net worth. Yeah, I'm here to entertain you guys with some, I'm going to lose some money here, so you guys don't have to do it. And actually, the moment I bought it, I knew I was making a loss, right, guys? That's what I told you, because this coin is not going to increase anymore. It's done and dusted, right? So, it will be absolutely cool if I can get a profit out of it, guys. That will be very cool. Where can I buy it? Yeah, I mean, I am definitely the one that's going to say don't buy it because it's absolutely the most terrible buy you can potentially do in your whole career. That's what I think. But if you're buying it on Bybit. You can find the link in the pinned comment in the pinned comment in the live chat. It's already 3 billion market cap. That's my point. It's a 3 billion market cap and it's not going to do 10x from here on. And actually, I'm going to take. I think I'm going to take my loss here, guys. Watch me taking and cutting my loss here. I'm going to cut my loss. I don't really think it's going to have another pump here. I want to cut my loss here, and I want to get out of this as soon as possible. Right now, I can maybe, if I market sell, like market sell will give me a 3.2k, so I lose only $600. Guys, should I take it? Should I get out of it for a $500 loss here? And yeah, I think I'm going to do it. I entertained you guys well enough here. And let me see. Okay, let me know in the chat here. I'm going to definitely go out of it right now here because I actually think it's a little bit of a money waste here. Some people are finally reminding me it's actually a money waste, and I think, oh, that's actually true. That's actually true, yeah. So yeah, I'm going to go out of it. So I got my sell order. Oh, it's getting filled up. It's getting filled up. So let's see if I can get some USD tether back here. Will be absolutely amazing. So yeah, no, everyone's saying no. Everyone's saying no. But I'm just going to do it anyways. I'm just going to do it anyways because I just want to get out of it. Yes, yes, guys. It was definitely absolutely terrible. But I just don't want to hold this token. It's going to go to freaking 0. I explained to you guys why. But anyways, guys, to every beginning of the stream also, oh, it's got filled. Let's go. I got my tether back. So, guys, to every beginning of the stream, it also comes an end here, and this is the end of the stream here. So, guys, thank you so much for watching towards this amazing new video. I currently have to go to the haircutter. That's why I have to head out right now. So, guys, anyways, thank you so much for watching towards this amazing new stream here. Don't buy Luna. That's my own opinion. Don't buy Luna. You're going to probably lose all your money. I have explained it in this video. Make sure to, of course, subscribe to the channel. Absolutely highly appreciate it. And, of course, more importantly, subscribe to the channel because I will be revealing one of the most craziest Ponzi's that is probably going to be exploding anytime soon here in the cryptocurrency industry. So it is definitely worth to subscribe to the channel right now here. Ring up the bell notification. I'm doing every single day daily live streams discussing the Bitcoin market, discussing how Bitcoin is looking, discussing the price action, and, of course, how Terra is absolutely screwing up all their community members. So make sure to subscribe to the channel. Absolutely amazing. Hope you loved it. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.